Hello and good morning, dear children. Today we are going to begin with maths subject. I know you would not be having your maths textbooks, but you can download it from e-textbook online. Today we will begin with the topic Roman numerals. In olden times, in European countries, Roman capital letters were used to write numbers. So they were called as Roman numerals. As we can see, the letter I was used for number 1. The letter V used for number 5. The letter X used for number 10. We usually see these symbols on clock and on question papers. So let's learn how to write these numbers. For writing these numbers, we have certain rules. First rule. If either of the symbols I or X is written consecutively 2 or 3 times, their sum total is the number they make. In the examples, you can see I and I is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Second one we can see I and I is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3. And the next one, X and X is equal to 10 plus 10, that is equal to 20. The second rule, symbol I or X can be repeated consecutively for a maximum of 3 times. Symbol V is never repeated consecutively. So in rule number 1, we can see the second one, it is thrice. I is thrice. So we can repeat I or X maximum up to 3 times, not more than that. And also V, the symbol, is never repeated consecutively. Rule 3. When I or V is written on the right hand of the symbol of a bigger number, its value is added to the value of the bigger number. In the examples, you can see I is added on the right hand of V. So that is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. In the next example, you can see V and I and I is repeated thrice. That is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. In the next example, you can see V is written on the right hand of X, that is 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. In the next example, you can see X, V and I, that is equal to 10 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 16, and so on. The fourth rule. When I is written on the left of V or X, then its value is subtracted from the value of v or x. In the example, you can see I is written on the left hand side of v. So that one value is subtracted from v, that is 5 minus 1. So what number you get is, that is equal to 4. In the next example, you can see I is written on the left hand of x. So 1 is subtracted from 10, that is equal to 9. So let's have a look on all the 4 rules again. Rule 1. If either of the symbols I or x is written consecutively 2 or 3 times, their sum total is the number they make. Second rule is, symbol I or x can be repeated consecutively for a maximum or 3 times. Symbol V is never repeated consecutively. Rule 3. When I or V is written on the right side of the symbol of a bigger number, its value is added to the value of the bigger number. Fourth rule. When I is written on the left side of the symbol V or X, then its value is subtracted from the value of V or X. So now let's see how we can write these numbers in Roman numerals. First example is 8. So let's divide 8 as 5 and 1, 1, 1. That is equal to V plus 1I plus I plus I is equal to V, I. Second example is 13. So let's divide it again. So it is 10 plus 3. That is equal to X plus I plus I plus I. That is equal to X, I. Third one, 17. So let's divide it again. X plus V plus I plus I. That is equal to X, V, I. Now, you can write this question, copy down the following questions and solve it by yourself. I hope everyone has solved it. You can have a look on the answers. As you have solved the above question, we can write down the Roman numerals from 1 to 20. You can write it in your notebook also. As we have the symbols for number 1, 5, 10, we also have some more symbols for number 50, 100, 500 and 1000. We can have a look and see the Roman numeral L is for the number 50. C is for the number 100. Roman numeral D is for the number 500. Roman numeral M is for the number 1000. You can write this table in your notebook. You can also refer page number 2 of your maths textbook. To solve the problem set 1, please refer page number 2 of your textbook. Thank you so much.